Historic from AViPAS, and I'm here introducing our PTZ camera and also the wireless system. So this camera is 2040, AV2040. It will have the auto tracking functions. It will automatically detect the human face and tracking all the presenter on the stage. And the device connected with it is our wireless system. It is transmitter. It will receive the signal from the camera and transmit wireless to our monitor. The distance between the transmitter and the receiver is up to 300 feet, and also equal to 1.2 kilometers. And it will receiving SDI and HDMI signal, so that is really suitable for the broadcasting and the live streaming events. If you're interested to our products, you may see more information on our website. It's www.avipas.com, and please also visit our suite site, which is suite.usa. Thank you.